Hello everyone, I'm Lamp, and I'm going to tell you about this book I read. At the beginning of the year, we received a math book to read. It was The String, Straight Edge, and Shadow by Julia E. Diggins. We were supposed to read it and blog about it. At first I was unsure about the book. I thought it would contain a lot of formulas and boring stuff. However, when I started reading, I saw nice pictures and the wording wasn't that hard. After the first few chapters, I decided the book wasn't that bad. The author seemed very observant and thoughtful, since she mentions geometry not only in equations and how we're used to seeing it in our school textbooks, but also how it appears in nature, music, and art. Later on in the book, the author writes about the history of geometry, starting out with the first men and ending with the Lucid's elements, mentioning important events in history and discoveries in geometry, while explaining formulas and key figures along the way. I liked the book, but some of the descriptions were confusing and difficult to understand at first, so I had to reread them carefully. I liked seeing the events in the book also appear in my social studies class. I thought the book was well written, and that the ideas were neatly brought together. The book covers a lot, but the author connects all of the people, places, and discoveries mentioned by three universal tools: the string, straight edge, and shadow. I recommend this book to anyone who wants to read about geometry in an interesting and different perspective.